Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share a fun and vibrant festival eye makeup look that's perfect for any celebration, whether you are going to a music festival, a cultural celebration, or just want to add some sparkle to your day. This look will make you stand out. So without any further delay, let's get started with the video. Here I'm starting with priming my lids. I'm using Insight Cosmetics Makeup Essentials Primer, which makes your skin super smooth to glide your base perfectly. If you don't have, you can use any as per your choice. Now I'll move for the base. I'm taking a small flattened eye makeup brush to paint up my lids with concealer to fade off the blemishes and set it out with some translucent powder to keep everything in place. You can use compact as well. Now the fun part begins. Here I'm using my fingers to pick up the pigment. You can use an eye applicator sponge brush as well. This is for reference for easiest way to achieve the look. Technically, the right placements of color or pigment will help you out. Blending is next level of magic, isn't it? Now add some wing liner, make a shorter wing. Use a good pigmented kajal in upper and the lower lash line as well and blend it well with some blend eyeshadow. Here I am taking some yellow pigment to pop up my eyes as per my costume. I'm taking matte shade, you can take glitter too. Don't forget the inner corners of your eyes and put it on some mascara as well. Personally, I don't believe in falsies if it's not bridal or engagement or any kind of stage wearing makeup, but if you like, you can wear false lashes as well. Add some highlighter and you are good to go. Here's the final look. I absolutely love how vibrant and fun this turned out. Perfect for any festival. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more makeup looks. Share your favorite festival makeup tips in the comment below. Thanks for watching and have fabulous festival.